In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Siteground email in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Siteground or just need a little guidance on creating an email account through their platform, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Siteground homepage. Simply open up your web browser and type in siteground.com, or just click the link I've included in the description below. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, the first step is logging into your account. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page, and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your Siteground account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your My Siteground account dashboard. Here you'll find an overview of all the websites and services associated with your Siteground account. If you've just signed up or only have one website, things might look a bit simple, which is perfectly fine. The next thing you want to do is look for the Site Tools option. You'll usually find this next to the website for which you want to set up email hosting. Once you've clicked on Site Tools, a new window with various options will appear. Look for and click on the option marked Email. You'll find this under the dashboard on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Email takes you to the email management section of your Site Tools. This is where all the magic happens in managing your Siteground email settings. The next step is to select Accounts within the email management section. Clicking on Accounts will present you with a list of your current email accounts, if any exist. We're going to start creating a brand new email account, so don't be confused if there's nothing on the list yet. Now look for the Create New Email Account button. It's usually quite prominent on the page, ready for you to take the next step. Clicking on it will open a new form where you will be able to create your email address. Enter the desired email name, something that reflects your purpose or business perhaps. Next, choose a strong password for security and note it down in a secure place. And just like that, you've successfully set up your Siteground email account. Use this email to stay professional and organized. Now you can manage your emails effectively, enhancing your communication management with all your clients or colleagues. If at any point you need to edit or manage settings for your new email account, simply head back to the email account section in Site Tools. Congratulations on setting up your Siteground email. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy emailing!